Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fade in and fade out on video using CapCut. In order to do this, you first have to launch your CapCut mobile application. Then you need to tap on New Project. After that, you need to tap on the video that you want to add into CapCut, and then you need to press Add in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now over here, first we will put the fade in effect on top of this video. For that, you just have to select the video and you need to make sure that you are in the beginning of this video. After that, you just have to swipe to the left, and here you just have to try to find the option of opacity. Now once you have found opacity, you need to tap on opacity and you need to make it 0 and then press this tick button. After that, you need to add a keyframe on top of this video. For that, you will have to tap on this diamond plus icon in the top. Once you do this, you will notice that there is a keyframe on top of your video. After that, you just have to adjust the timeline and you will have to place the cursor for how long you want the fade in effect on this video. So let's say I want to do it for 3 seconds. So I'll simply slide it to 3 seconds, and then you again have to click on opacity, and after that you will have to make it 100% and then press check. Once done, you will have to place the diamond button on top of it. It simply means that you have successfully added the keyframe onto it. Once done, you just have to play it and you will notice that there is a fade in effect. Now let's just put the fade out effect that will be in the end of the video. So you just have to adjust the video and you just have to place it from where you want to start the fade out effect. After that, you will have to place the keyframe on top of it. Then you need to go to the end of this video, and then you just have to go to the opacity. Then you need to make the opacity 0 and then press check. After that, you need to add the keyframe, and this way you have added the fade out effect on top of your video. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.